In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a product link on Taobao. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a product URL you can share or save. And I'll also show you how to do the same on 1688 using a computer. Let's start with Taobao. Open your browser and head to taobao.com if you're comfortable with the Chinese site, or world.taobao.com for the global version. You don't have to log in just to copy a link, though you can sign in if you plan to browse more or add items to your cart. Either site works the same for this task. Now find the item you want. You can type keywords into the search bar or use the camera icon to upload a photo for image search, which is handy when you have a picture but not the name. Scan the results and click the product that matches what you're looking for to open its product page. Once you're on the product page, move to your browser's address bar at the top. You'll see a long URL that typically looks like this: https://item.taobao.com/item. HTM ID X. That length is normal because it often includes tracking details. Highlight the entire URL so it's fully selected. Double-clicking won't always catch everything, so it's safest to click once in the bar and press Ctrl+A to select all if needed. Then copy it by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. On a Mac, Command+C does the same thing. With the link copied, you can paste it wherever you need it. In a chat, your notes, a messenger app, a forwarder's form, or a spreadsheet. Place your cursor where you want the link, then press Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. If you're sharing it for someone to source the item, it's a good idea to also mention the color or size you saw on the page, since that detail isn't always obvious just from the URL. Now, a quick walkthrough for 1688 on a PC. Open your browser and go to 1688.com. Search using keywords or upload an image with the camera icon, then click into the product you want to view so you're on the product detail page. At the top, go to the URL or address bar and highlight the entire link, which usually looks like https detail 688.com/offer XTML. Copy it with right-click copy or Ctrl+C and you're done. Paste it anywhere using Ctrl+V just like before. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable for both Taobao and 1688.